Gwen. What the fuck? Bro, what the heck is this sensitivity? Why it's so high? Gotta turn it off. Oh my gosh. Ay! Putang ina! So, yeah. I decided to play Granny again this 2025. And I don't even know why. But, yeah, this game is still fun. Regardless of glitches and bugs on this game. Yikes. Anyways, let me go and explain what Granny is all about. Granny was released back in the year 2017 and a tons of other creators like Think Noodles, Markiplier, and Dante DM started playing it. Because of their gameplays, Granny became an instant hit, gaining popularity to a game and causing massive downloads, which is in total of 100 million downloads. Wow, I mean damn, that is actually a lot, what the heck. Okay, so anyways, I have to mention, I played this game and finished it like maybe 20 times. Okay, look, let me explain. So back when I was in elementary school, I used to play this game. So later in this speed, I will pretty much know what to do on the stuff that will find throughout the gameplay. So that's why I'm gonna beat this game on only day 1. Okay, of course, that's obviously a joke. I'm just kidding, okay? So yeah, hopefully you will enjoy the beat and let's go proceed to the gameplay. Okay, here we go. What difficulty should we choose? Medyo natatakot ako, okay? So mag-normal boot muna tayo. Pero yun natin to sa last, which is nakauna. There you go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's go and continue. Okay, so before the game starts, the game is gonna lead us here, which will be on the tip screen. So feel free to read it. Alright boys, here we go. So I'm pretty sure he's gonna spawn right here sa bedroom dito o dito o pwede sa basement. Di ko alam sa kanya kung saan niya trip. The fucking car battery. We need to drop it here. Yeah, nandun agad siya. Okay. Speedrun. Come on, kita. Oh my goodness, nagawan ako yung cutting pliers pack. Wait lang. Another joke moment. Chase me, bitch. Nice. And then we're gonna go straight here. Because why not? And there you go. I see something.
We're coming for you, nigga.
Bitch. Okay, let's go here. Okay, now what? Let's go in and search this place. Oh, a fucking special kit. That's nice. Oh shit, she's right behind me, boys. Okay, nice. Successfully evaded.
Perfect.
She's looking fast. What the fuck? Nothing, man. There's gotta be something here, though. I knew it. Fucking code 9. Oh, this is a bit risky. I fucking knew it.
Want from me?
Okay, nice. That's a nice joke right there, bro. Okay, should go here. Oh, the fucking gasoline here. Okay, so before we proceed to the gameplay, I have to mention this first. In case you still didn't know, there are 3 escape routes we can approach to. The first one will be the front door, the second one will be the car, and the last one will be the sewer gate. She saw me! What the fuck? Bro! Yeah, I think I supposed to hug the wall. Which is I didn't do. I almost died there. Nice. Hi, Guan part 2. Nice. Part shotgun here. That would be freaking useful. Tang ina, let's go. Oops, mali. No! Oh my goodness, putang ina. Wait. He dropped something there. What the heck is that? That sounded like a key. Oh my gosh, putang ina. That fucking bitch, man.
Bitch!
Yeah. Medyo napasigaw ako doon. Oh, putek, pasmado ka. Yung mata your screen. We should go in locker here. I'm gonna fucking kill this bitch. Ah, there she is. There you go. Yeah, how you feel now? Huh? Now what? Nice! Another part of the shotgun. We should go down here and put this last piece. Now we have the shotgun, Daddy. Let's go. Yes, sir. Bitch. Oh my goodness, I just heard her laugh. Oh, there she is. What? Ow! Yay! Sabina! Oh my god. Ay! Hindi! Takin na tulpa ko! Okay, I'm dead.
Turn around and die. Turn around and die.
Yeah, I better go and get the screwdriver now, which is... It's up there. There you go, brother. So, just in case we die, we have a fucking weapon. And we can just... Sure. Gonna put it there. Anyways, let's go and OP this. Nice. And we can just put that there too. Kasi kailanganin din natin to actually doon. What the fuck? Okay. Bigla siyang bubulaga. Okay, now we can go and put this key. What the? Yeah, di ko alam kung ano yan ba. Whatever. There you go. This is a spider key. Now we can open that. There you go. Okay, let's go and put the screwdriver here to. Nice. Oh, there it is. Oh shit. Okay, we better go. No, you don't. Fucking dumbass. Okay, there you go. Now we're in here. There's even a cogwheel in there. That's nice. Let's put the screwdriver down there too. We're gonna leave that. Please to run away. Here. Oh, Granny's in here. What the heck? Hi, bitch. Hold up. Hey! Oh! What the? Oh, spooky. Oh shit. Oh shit. Nothing. Are you fucking... Oh, ML, nice. Okay, she's not here. Nice. Ay! Oh, fuck. Next. Is she gone? Yeah, I think she's gone. Where is she though? Oh, she's on my left. She's left there. Oh, she's over there. Look at that fucking bitch. Let's see where she's gonna go. Okay, wow, grabe yun. Rekta sa akin, no? Punta dito, pasok. Nice, okay. Try me, bitch. Woohoo! Let's go! Grabe music ka, nakasakit sa tenga. Okay, padlock. That's nice.
Good evening.
Hi! Oh, fuck. Ready? Fucking dumbass.
Incredible.
I hear her, man. Oh my goodness. What a save, daddy. Nice. Let's go. Oh, buddy. Oh, okay, let's leave this on. Let's open this. So there's something in this menu na it's either gonna be a master key or a playhouse key. So okay, nice. A playhouse key. Yeah, I just did that to make a sound. We gotta hurry it up here. Kailangan natin bilisan dito, okay? Kasi pwede tayong mabilis yung kupal yun eh. Mabilis kumain yun. So, yan na siya. Oh my goodness, ang laking kupal nun. Okay, kuhanin mo yung crate. Takbo, dali! Holy! Ay, puta. Okay, for sure narinig yun ni Garan. So we gotta be faster. Look at that bitch. Makita mas. Hi. Wonder where the freaking car key is. Bro. Oh, the spark plug is in here. Can you get a spark plug, you fucking... Oh my goodness. Stop! Putang inang lag kasi yan. Grabe na yan. Putang ina, oy. So yeah, at this part I actually died because I need to stop for a moment and stop the recording because my percentage is very low and I have to charge my phone, and he just struck me from behind, and yan. Nice, let's go, yeah. Stuff a fucking wouldn't lang, that's it, bro. Come on, please, hammer. Okay. You know what? That's actually fine. Yeah, we can actually just get out through the sewer, which is where the spider is. But that's fine. We just need to be fucking extra more careful. Oh! I thought. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my gosh. Yes! Let's go! Okay. Finish the freaking game, man. Let's go! Yes! Fucking damas. So yeah, I finally finished this fucking game. Oh my goodness. Finally, yes. So if you want more videos, feel free to like and yeah, say something in the comments. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye.